20 Creative Bathroom Organizing Ideas. Many companies sell shelving units that are made to fit around standard-size toilets. Stylistically, these units often look pretty basic. So another option is to build custom open shelves above the toilet for additional storage. Doing it yourself provides more of an opportunity to match the shelving with your home decor style. This medicine cabinet became much more functional with the addition of 3 mason jars. By storing items vertically inside a cup or jar, you can make better use of the vertical space inside the cabinet. One bathroom organizing tip to consider is to try to keep like items together. For instance, one jar could be for cotton balls, one for cotton swabs, and another for miscellaneous items. Bathrooms are easier to keep clean and organized when there's a spot for everything. If possible, designate a small spot for a hamper, so clothes and wet towels don't end up in a pile on the floor. To save space, you can roll some clean towels and store them on top of the hamper. A turntable or a lazy Susan works well for storing lots of small products that you want to remain accessible. Instead of needing to reach over something to get to an item in the back of a cabinet, you can simply turn the lazy Susan. If you have multiple types of items to store, consider adding more than one turntable if space allows. One of the most straightforward ways to hang towels in a bathroom is to add some hooks or a towel bar to the wall. However, many designers are incorporating ladders into modern bathrooms for hanging towel storage that maximizes vertical space. Plus, you can hang hooks and baskets from the ladder to store washcloths and other toiletries. After you put everything away under the sink, chances are there is still some wasted space on the back of the cabinet doors. To take advantage of this space, attach clear bins to the doors in which you can store items you use often. Label each bin, and add dates to items that have an expiration date. Not every bathroom needs storage for several hair tools. However, most bathrooms will have at least one hair dryer that you'll have to keep somewhere. This bathroom organizing idea uses an over-the-door rack that is designed to fit wider items, including hair tools. The best part is you don't need to drill any holes to hang it. If you have young children, they likely have some bath toys that need storing when not in use. Niches in the wall are a great spot to store such toys in a small plastic bin. But if you don't have a niche, you also can hang a small basket from strong suction cups in or near the bath. Plus, you can hang an extra shower curtain tension rod along the back wall of the tub and add hooks to that from which you can hang toy baskets. Want to add some personality to your bathroom? Decorate a bathroom countertop with a stylish tray that holds some of your most loved and visually appealing items. These should be items that you like looking at and that you also reach for often. Some products to consider include perfume, makeup brushes, jewelry, and hand lotion. This bathroom organizing idea is easy and inexpensive. Fix strong suction cups or adhesive hooks to the shower surround. Once they're secured, hang lightweight baskets in which to store bath products. Make sure you test the strength of the hooks before you load up the baskets with lots of extra weight. Labeling isn't just for function, it's for style too. When you use streamlined containers with an attractive label, everything looks more appealing and put together. Experiment with a mix of storage containers, baskets, and apothecary jars that work well together. However, before you purchase organizing products, first sort through all your bathroom items to determine how you want to categorize them, so you can buy containers that fit them. Showers and tub surrounds are often cluttered with multiple shampoos and soap bottles. One way to encourage a minimal approach to bath products is to coordinate your bottles. Transfer your shampoo and other products into a matching set of bottles. You'll be so caught up keeping your bottles looking photo-ready that you'll be less tempted to buy any unnecessary products. Any bathroom with a little extra floor space could benefit from the addition of a tiered tray or tiered basket organizer. Some people also use rolling carts for this purpose, but a tiered tray is an elegant and functional option. Stock the top 2 levels with items needed for bathing, and store some extra toilet paper at the bottom. Plus, a smaller, 2-level tiered tray would work well for storage on the bathroom counter. Think about the items you reach for every day when you get ready in the bathroom. If you do your makeup there, consider attaching some removable storage containers directly to the wall. You can either make a custom caddy or purchase ready-made organizers for this purpose. Just be aware that some stick-on organizers can damage the wall underneath, so you might be better off drilling a few small holes for a cleaner patch job if you ever want to remove the organizer. One of the most obvious places to keep extra toilet paper is on the back of the toilet. But that can give off a rather cluttered and unappealing look. So there are several ways to make this storage spot more attractive. For instance, simply find a basket that fits the top of your toilet, and stack a couple of rows of toilet paper inside. If you have a bathroom with enough floor space, consider adding a freestanding piece of furniture, such as a cabinet, for additional storage. This extra furniture can be a brand new or custom-built piece. Or you can also repurpose an old sideboard, armoire, or dresser to suit your needs. To maximize the space under the sink, acquire some clear plastic storage bins in varying sizes to organize products into categories. Label each bin with categories, such as skincare, hair care, dental care, etc. If you don't have shelves under your sink, find bins that are stackable or purchase a unit with drawers. Don't allow your bathroom vanity drawers to look like junk drawers. Instead, purchase drawer dividers and group-like items together to make the drawers functional and appealing storage spaces. The drawer you see here stores items that are used every day, and any excess products are stored under the sink. Remember, no two drawers will look alike. Curate your vanity drawer with commonly used products that make sense for your household. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.